9 dot data binding 9. Yes, in data binding 9 file, we can start from the HTML and we'll follow the 8 section. We'll follow the script part. We will start the body tag. Inside the body tag, they can create a table. Table will be aligned as a center. Cell padding 10. Right quality head. Under the T head, you will display the TR. Under TR, you will display the TH. Item index. Next item name. Next item price. Next item quantity. Item name, item price, item quantity. And one more button called delete. Okay, ready. Now follow the T body. T body will be empty. ID equal to ID equal to item list. And you can write one TR and you can write one TD. You can write inside call span 5. And you can write here for no data. No data. DA, DA. Okay, run now. So it will show us empty table with no any contents. For table, you can write border 1, cell spacing 0, border color red color. So now your table with one line of border. Give some width for table also. 60%. Table will become little wide. Before table, you can add one H1 array, add list, delete array, add list, delete example. Align center we can keep. It will come in middle. So HTML part is ready. In that now data has to come. HTML part is ready. In this data should come. No data you have printed, you can print in the middle using align property. Okay, ready? So is it printing in the middle? No data. Now we'll have one button here. Somewhere, once you click on button here, list of item will appear. So for that JavaScript is required. Go up. First create a button. You can use center tag so that button will come in the middle. Button. Print item. Print item. On click equal to call the function called save. Not save. On get item. On click equal to we call the function called get item. We have to write a function get item. Okay, now ready. Button is ready. Print item, but one BR is also required here. After center tag, you can write one BR. Yeah, some space will get applied. Check this much. This is the HTML part. Once this is ready, we can go to the JavaScript section. We can create the array, and after that, we can get the data from array in this side. HTML completed for everyone. It's a ready HTML part. You can log in Zoom. Zoom में log in कीजिए. I will send you this file I have created. No? Okay, so moving on, come to the script now. Create an array. Array name will be variable item equal to. You will create a array of objects. There two elements will give. The first element as well as second element. First element will have name, price, quantity. Name colon apple, price colon 300, QTY colon 5. Same way, name colon mango, price colon 600, QTY colon 20. Now these two element we need to read inside a function. Function name should be get item. Check now alert of item.length. Item.length should give you the alert. Which one? Colon is missing. Okay, next after this, run the page and click on button. See what is the alert. Should give the total length 2. Should give you the alert length as a 2 because total 2 items are inside the array. So length will come by default 2 only. Let's come next. We need to write a variable data equal to empty, then item.map. Item.map. Item info, comma, index. Item info, comma, index. Item, ITEM. Item info, comma, index. Now here we will write data equal to data plus create tr, create tr. Okay, so tr open and close. Now inside the tr only put a /n. So we'll understand what is happening using /n, double/n in the last, 2 times /n in the last. So suppose you have 2 items, so total 2 times tr it will create. The first time tr it will create and store under the data variable. Second loop also it will create a tr and store under the data variable. Data equal to data plus, open the td. We can write here index. Again plus close the TD, index plus close the TD. So this will generate you only the index 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's run our page and see based on this what is going to happen. At end of the page, alert you do here, alert this data variable. Alert a data variable. It will give you 2 TR, and in that due to slash and line break will happen, and after that I wrote it. Now come to the browser, go in console, refresh your page, look into the console, inspect element, and then first clear everything. What will happen here? Once you click on button, this function will call. Function will create loop. That loop will execute 2 times. Since we have total 2 element only, first time it will create a TR and pass under the data variable. Again it will go back and run again loop. For second element also it will create another TR, and finally what will happen is loop will get terminate, alert will come. It is not going to console somewhere, it is just we wrote a alert. Refresh it and click on OK button. See what happened, how many TR is showing? 2 TR, because loop has run total 2 times. 2 time loop has run, and then every TR 1 TD we are generating, 0 and 1 serial number, index position is 0 and 1. You can write here again. Next, item info will hold the name, price, quantity. You will write here item info dot name. It will print you name. You can check this much first. It will print you name of all the items. So we can go here, click on this. How many? 2 are coming. Come now, print now price and QTY. Item info dot price and item info dot QTY. One more is required. Delete as a button. So you can write here delete as a button that we can keep directly under the button. delete. Okay, next in each row you will get total 5 TD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TD. Okay, got it. If no, so click here. First TR multiple TD, second TR also multiple TD. This data we will send to this browser under the T body. All the list of TR what you have generated, those list of TR now you can write here document dot get element by ID, document dot get element by ID, which ID? This one, call it a item list. In T body, you are given ID called item list. So in item list, we need to send using inner HTML data. There it will form like as a table. Okay, ready? Check now. Click here, alert will come. After that, should list out items inside a table. Getting list or error. You can remove now all the /n because /n is only for JavaScript purpose. It will not have any meaning in browser. You can remove /n. Let me know. So getting the list, on click, you should get the list. Even alert is coming, you can remove alert also. So your page will load smoothly. As soon as you click, data will come. Error. You can check in console. HTML ID equal to item list or T body. Button click. It says you don't have ID called item list in HTML. Come down. Item and list, there is a space, remove that. Cannot read the property of null inner HTML. Line number, refresh again. Refresh this page. Click again. Go to code. Item list. I is capital. Next, after this, we need to see how we can add the new element inside. How we can add the new element inside the existing array. Save the file and run it now. Right click, inspect element in browser. Right click, inspect element. Read your console. Can you see there is a flower bracket is missing, line number 6. Double you have closed here. Okay, do okay. First click open. Okay. Okay, remove that. Sorry. Not remove that. Check now. Data is coming. Now we need to fill the new records. And after that, we'll click on save button. That will also get added inside the list. So this table you have given. Now come before this table. Before this table, you have already written here called T head, right? T head we have. So we can use this T head area, right? In the T head only, add one more tr. In the T head only, add one more tr. Add one more tr in T head. Add one more tr. Right call td call span to input type equal to text id equal to new name, new, or maybe id equal to iname. Iname I wrote for item name. Next td will be price. Create next td for price. High price, high price, high price. Next td for iqty, then one more td for delete, not delete, save. This is in second tr before listing. Ready this input field. We need to enter the name, price, quantity and click on save item. It will get added under the list. Or also we can do this, then table look like not very clean. Table look like little dirty. Okay, so cut this tr and paste outside before table. Cut this tr and paste before table before print button. Before print button. TR you have added here, cut from there and paste before print button. We'll remove the TR and TD, will keep only text boxes. We'll keep only text boxes. Yes, before table. We'll have more space to write some more thing. Okay, hope done. Now check how this look. This is something like this. Now we have to enter the placeholder everywhere. Placeholder equal to item name. Item name. Placeholder equal to item price. Placeholder equal to item QTY, or we can write simple quantity. Then after that, save button click, we'll call. On click, we will to call the function call save. Okay, then item name, item price, item quantity. Now, whichever the item we enter here and click on save button, that should get added under the list. List is this much. If you enter the new item, click on save, that should get added under the list. Name will go to the name column, price will go to the price column, quantity will go to the quantity. And delete and index will come automatically. So first you check this written I name, I price, I QTY. ID equal to I name, ID equal to I price, ID equal to I QTY. Add list delete. Now go to the function in JavaScript. Write a function called save. Function called save. Function called save. In write a save function. Inside the save function, we have to pick the value. First, create a variable new item equal to one array you copy from the your array and paste here. One array you copy from there and paste here. New item. Now new item is not only name. New item is holding name, price, and quantity, three things together. New item is holding name, price, and QTY, three things together. Okay, ready? Next, come down. Right here, what is the array name? Array name is called item. So item equal to item dot concat. CONCAT. There is a function called concat, not contact, concat. Item equal to item dot concat. Item equal to item dot concat. Which one? New item. Item equal to item dot concat. New item. Next, after this, you will call again get item to reload the list. This is for one item equal to item dot. Okay, so this is correct only. This is to push new element at last. To push new element at last. Okay, so you added, check now. Come to the page and just click on save button. First, this is the item. Click on save item. You can see mango is getting added in the last. How many times you will click on save item? That many time mango will add. So it is adding the complete a new object inside the array with 3 property. Save button. It's not contact, it's concat. Item equal to item dot concat. Now this variable mango 620 rupees we have written, it should be dynamic. Just it is a static value. It should be dynamic. So for that we require to go here and now take the value. So adding or not, fixed value getting added. Why is not this many lines? 3-4 line, what problem? Button plate. Are you calling the save? Save. Then in this line was copy paste. This item equal to item dot content and then get item. Why 3 lines have so many problems? Check now, your static element is adding. Button save. No, not adding. Adding. Okay, so let's come. We'll make it dynamic. Dynamic in the sense what value you enter into the text box, that value should get added. So here we have added mango 620 static value. Let's make it dynamic now. Variable item name document dot get element by id document dot get element by id, that is called iname dot value document dot get element by id iname dot value. It will take the value from the text box. Next variable item price document dot get element by id I price dot value next variable item qty document dot get element by id iqty dot value iqty dot value item name item price item qty item name item price item qty. Next come down item name, assign here without double quote. Item price assign here without double quote. Item QTY assign here without double quote. This way. Item name, item price, item QTY. So now these values are going to come from the text box. I name, I price, I QTY, we have fields. From there we are taking the value, assigning to variable, and from variable we are passing to the object. We are creating one dynamic object, and this object we are pushing into the existing array using the concat method. It will be something like this. We'll go here. First you can see your item list are coming here. I will add here called orange. Price 100 rupees. Quantity 5. Click on save item. Orange will get added here. Orange convert into something grapes. 80 rupees. 2 kg. Click on save. Will get added in the last. So whichever the item you will enter under the text box, those items will get added in the last into the array. Check now. This save function I will share in your chat. If any error, we can replace that also. Working. Okay. Next, after that, we have to clear the text box. To clear the text box, we have to write document.getElementById dot value equal to empty. Same line you have to write clear fields. Clear fields dot value equal to empty. Document.getElementById I price dot value equal to empty. Dot value equal to empty. This will clear the input field. Now after this, we can see again, add here for orange, 500, quantity 5, save item. Item got added and the text will become clear. Item added and text will become clear. sequence item should get added, and text field should become clear. Same document dot get element by ID dot value equal to, you need to assign with the null. Dot value equal to null. Now, suppose there will be chance like this also. User will not enter anything and they'll click on save button. Empty will get added here. It should not add the empty. So for that purpose, come here. This is the line where you are adding the new value. Okay. This is the line you are adding the new value at this place. Here. Okay. And this is you are clearing the text. We can write a condition here if where you will add the condition before, yes, you will add a condition here if item name, take one, item name double equal to empty or item price double equal to empty or item QTY double equal to empty. So it will check if name is empty or price is empty or QTY. If any one is empty, it will not allow. We can write here alert, sorry, invalid input. Alert invalid input. First you write this if part, then we will add the else also. Add the if, then we'll add the else also. Okay. Next else close the else, close the else last here. In else you are going to add the element. If name is empty, price is empty, quantity is empty. If any one is empty, then it's invalid. Else it is going to add the name element. Add the else, you can add the highlighted point if and else. Okay, let me show you how it is going to work. We'll go here. I click here directly, it will say invalid input. I will enter here call orange. Click on save, invalid input. Price I will enter. Quantity is empty, still invalid input. I'll enter here call quantity 5. After that it will save. If any one field is empty, it will not allow. Double equal to, you will add, double equal to duplicate. This is called OR condition. Name is empty, or price is empty, or quantity is empty. If any one is empty, then it will not allow, it will say sorry. Else, if all three are filled, then only it will go to the inside. Check it now. Working or error? Working? Without price, try to add a product. It will allow or not? Without price. Don't enter price and click on save button. Is adding or not? Alert will come, invalid input. Alert will come, invalid input. It should not allow to add any product without, if name, price or quantity, any one is filled, unfilled, it will not allow to add. Line number 27 is the error. If item name double equal to empty, item name double equal to empty, or item price double equal to, you are given single equal to item price. Check now. Click on submit button, save button directly. It was invalid. We need to read the lines. Okay, what code you write before running, we should read 2 times. First time while writing, second time before running, we should read it, what I have written. Compiler also do the same thing. When you run the page, compiler will check very clearly, line by line. Compiler have no habit to skip the line, but human have the habit to skip the line. Compiler is made by compiler is made by human only. Who has a root browser? Someone have written. Some person only have written. Right? And browser is helping us to find out our error. So think where we are. The person who wrote browser, he is somewhere on out of the world, and we are also out of the world. Okay, so come now, check. Next, we have to do something next. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello. Okay, now come next. We need to delete the element. Where we click delete, 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 it should get removed. So for that, you have to write first a function in beginning only, before anywhere, before your get item, you write a function called delete. Del item equal to, inside you will write called index. Whichever the item we want to delete, we will pass the index of that item. Del item will remove that. Item list dot splice. Item list dot splice. Item dot splice. What is that? Index. You will pass 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you will delete one element. So you will pass one. People ask why one only. You will say because I want to delete one element. Next, come down below. You will write here. Okay. Next, after this, we need to write here called get item. So it is to reload the list. To reload the list. To reload the list. We call the get item to reload the list. Now we need to call this del item function on click. On button click, we need to call the del item function. On button click, we need to call the del item function. We can go here and write on click. On click. Call a function call del item. Inside the del item, you will write here plus plus. And you will pass inside index. Okay. Check once. As soon as you click on delete button, particular element will get removed from the list. And your list will be reload again. After deleting the item, list will Okay, open. Let us sequence. Delete the apple, gone, delete the mango. Reload the page, again it will come back. So once click on the list, delete, delete, delete. It should delete a particular item from the list. Delete happening. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow again. Shall I share this file in chat? Let me send you data binding 9. Data binding 9, yeah. So data binding 9 is in your chat now.